Hi guys, and welcome back to Umbrella Face Painting. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do the quickest and simplest one-stroke butterfly. I'm using two separate split cakes from this, but I'm only using two colors from each, and I'm using this small angled brush for all of the work today. I'm going to start by taking this dark pink and the gold and loading it up on the brush, just going backwards and forth until it's sliding over the paint nicely, but there's no bubbles. I'm starting at the center of my, well, not center, but off center of my nose, and dragging up and then wiggling and pulling back in. And then I'm going down a bit to about my eyebrow arch and doing the same thing but smaller. I'm then going to go underneath and do almost a petal shape, just to go around the bottom of the eye to start off the bottom wing. I'm then going into the other cake and I'm taking the purple and the white, and I'm doing the same thing, just different placements. This is going to be the outer edge of the butterfly wing, so there's going to be a lot more of this color, but pretty much I'm just dragging and then doing S shapes and bringing back through. I'm then taking that same two colors and creating that last petal on the inner corner to finish the bottom wings. And I decided to go in and fill in those empty spaces. Doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. I think the imperfectness of this design makes it so beautifully eye-catching. I'm taking a white and a green one stroke. I cannot remember what this one is, sorry. I'll have it listed below. And I'm just doing the antennae and the body of the butterfly. And then I'm taking some white paint on a small brush and just doing some dots on the outer parts of the purple wings. You could definitely leave it there if you have quite a long line, but you could also go in and do some starbursts. I'm going to do some on the top wing, a double, and I like to accompany all of my double starbursts with some dots on the top and on the bottom, and also going to do the same thing on the opposite side on the cheek. And that is how you create the quickest, simplest, and most eye-catching butterfly. Always add some glitter as well. I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!